Alright, back in the garage. So the first thing I gotta do is just clean this manifold surface off. Just clean this manifold surface off. Get all this rust and nastiness off of here. And then I'll have to come back over here and clean off this surface as well. And just get it as nice and smooth as possible. Alright, well, we got the exhaust manifold fairly clean enough for me. So now let's head over to the engine. Looks pretty good. So I think I've got our exhaust surface just about as clean as I'm gonna get it. And I'm gonna put this nice soft, where is it? Soft copper gasket in between there anyway. I was recommended to run the copper gasket for the high pressure turbo application of this 1980s technology. Got to figure out if my nice $60 bolts that I bought, here they are, ARPs, are the right ones or not. If not, I gotta go through this bag and I gotta find me the 8 best manifold bolts I got and clean those up. Alright, so there we have it. These are my old used manifold bolts that are now nice and clean. Well, I wouldn't say nice, but they are clean. So if we gotta reuse them, they'll probably be alright. Okay, we're back. What I'm gonna do now is I'm going to ignore the advice of everyone online and go with the service manual, which shows us no gasket. Ford didn't think it needed a gasket. It's been 30 years. Some people say it needs a gasket, but we're gonna go with Ford. As far as the bolts go, I'm 99% sure whatever I ordered doesn't fit, so we're just going to be reusing these old bolts. So let's get this manifold folded up. Alright, let's get this manifold bolted up properly this time. So, I gotta move a few things around. This gotta come out. It's gonna get a washer. This is gonna come out. And we're gonna tighten the rest of these up. Let's go. We have done it. We have successfully mounted up the new turbo and manifold to our engine. Getting this coolant line off still eludes us. Again, here is the beautiful, beautiful aftermarket line that was placed on my car. So next time we'll hopefully, we'll either get this off or cut this off, and then we have the good fitting we need that we can't get out right here, and we will be able to